What is the trigonometry? Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics that studies relation between side lengths and angles of triangles. Trigonometry has been applied in areas such as geodesy, surveying, and navigation. Our goal: first, define the six trigonometric ratios of an acute angle in terms of a right triangle. Second, evaluate trigonometric ratios using triangles and on calculator. Before starting our lesson, we must remember the Pythagoras theorem and the distance between 2 points. In Pythagoras theorem, if we have right angle triangle, hypotenuse is C, the hypotenuse is opposite to right angle, so C square equal A square plus B square. So C equal root square A square plus A square plus B square. The distance between 2 points, if we have 2 points like A and B, its coordinate x1, y1, x2, y2, then the distance between AB and B equal root square difference between x square plus a difference between y square. For example, if A equal 8 and B equal 5, find C. In the triangle ABC, if C is right angle C equal 90 degrees, so C is the hypotenuse. So C equal root square 8 square plus 5 square. By using calculator, we get the value of C equal root 89. Number 2, if A equal 60 and C equal 61, find B. B not hypotenuse, so B square equal C square minus A square. So B equal root square for C square minus A square. By using calculator, we can get the value of B equal 11. Example number 3, find distance between A and B. To get the distance between A and B using the distance formula, equal root square difference between x square 8 minus 3 square plus 10 minus 0 square equal 5 root 5. Use trigonometric ratios to find the angle measures in right triangles and to solve real world. In right triangles, the hypotenuse of right triangles is the side across from the right angle. The hypotenuse is always the longest side of triangle. The remaining sides are labeled by their relation to the given angle, as shown. The adjacent of the given angle theta, that is not the hypotenuse. The opposite side is the side of the triangle that is across from the given angle theta. There are 6 possible ratios for the 3 sides of a triangle. These ratios are called trigonometric ratio. Sine theta equal opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine theta equal adjacent over hypotenuse. And tan theta equal opposite over adjacent. In addition, the reciprocal of each ratio in the right hand side is also trigonometric ratio. Cosec theta equal hypotenuse over opposite. Sec theta equal hypotenuse over adjacent. Cotan theta equal adjacent over opposite. Example 1. In this triangle, if cosine A equal 24 over 25, Determine which angle of a triangle is angle A. We know that triangle cosine is the ratio of the adjacent leg to the hypotenuse. Cosine A equal adjacent over hypotenuse. Let's try angle 1. The adjacent to angle 1 is 1.4 and the hypotenuse equal 5. So cosine 1 equal 1.4 over 5 equals 7 over 25, not equal 24 over 25. So let's try angle 2. The leg adjacent to angle 2 is 4.8 and the hypotenuse equal 5. Cosine 2 equal 4.8 over 5 equal 24 over 25. Since cosine A equal cosine 2, so angle 2 is angle A. Another example, use the given trigonometric ratio to determine which angle of triangle is angle A. If given sine A equal 8 over 7, we know that sine is the ratio of the opposite to the hypotenuse. Let's try angle 1. Okay, the opposite to angle 1 is 27 and the hypotenuse equal 30.6. So sine 1 equal 27 over 30.7 equal 0.88, not equal 8 over 17. Let's try angle 2. The opposite to angle 2 is 14.4 and the hypotenuse always 30.6. So sine 2 equal 14.4 over 30.6 equal 0.47. Since sine A equal sine 2, so angle 2 is angle A. Another example, use the given trigonometric ratio to determine which angle is angle A. If given tan A equal 1.875, we know that tan is the ratio of an opposite to adjacent. Okay, let's try angle 1. The opposite to angle 1 is 27 and the adjacent is 14.4. So tan 1 equal 27 over 14.4 equal 1.875. Since tan A equal tan 1, so angle A is angle 1. Thank you and goodbye.